Hi, I'm Chris Wright, Southwest Area Sales Manager for RUPES USA. Today we're at Sugar Land Regional Airport with this beautiful Phenom 300. And we're really excited to be here with Sparrowhawk Mobile Detailing. What really intrigued me about Josh's story with Sparrowhawk is he's coming from an aviation background into detailing versus the opposite way. One of the things Josh explained to me was that there are some very, very critical systems that are part of an airplane that he has a lot of experience with. So that's some of the things that he does on the training end, bringing all that experience and knowledge that he has from the aviation world into detailing.
My name is Josh Hernandez. I'm with Sparrowhawk Mobile Detailing. We're an aircraft detailing company that specializes in aircraft paint restorations, ceramic coatings, interiors, anything dealing with the aesthetics of the plane inside and out. We take care of it all. Customers really love the fact that we know aircraft. That's what we specialize in, that's what we hang our hat on, and that's what separates us from any other company that exists that's out there. So our focus today is doing a paint enhancement. There's various different spots throughout the aircraft that we've noticed some haziness and whatnot, and we wanted to make sure we take care of that, bring the paint back to life and its nice glossy sheen that it should have. We're proud of our partnership with RUPES. The biggest thing that was the sell point for us was not obviously just the equipment and the quality of the equipment and the pads and the polishes, but also it was a good way for us to standardize our operations across all 16 of our locations that we have. So it was a no-brainer for us.
When it comes down to efficiency and time, it's one of my biggest things, especially when you have a project this big. You got to have the right tools in the toolbox. But having the different various of tools that can outperform any tool on the market right now is definitely the way to go. I get a good cut in about a 30 to 45 second pass versus doing the traditional 1 minute to a minute and a half, right? So when you do that times 8 to 10 hour a day, you're really taking a lot of hours off of a project.
The quality and the consistency that we've seen since making that partnership with RUPES official and implementing it into our system, we've easily seen 20–30% decrease in our time of our details. When doing paint corrections and ceramic coatings, a drastic difference. It's just been a huge blessing to our business. The biggest surprise was the customer support from RUPES, even down to, hey, we'll be more than happy to train all of your franchisees ongoing, and that's mind-boggling to think that a big company would have that kind of support in our company, and that I can call my rep at the drop of a hat and have that personal one-on-one conversation with them. It's amazing. I'm blown away. I did not expect it to be this good and fruitful of a relationship for our business.